Just a few days ago, I filmed a video showing how I went about setting up and configuring an MCP server for managing Google Tag Manager. And I find this quite interesting because with just a few clicks and a simple chat interface, we can configure a variety of specific events effortlessly. Or rather, yes, we need to configure the sending of particular events on a page. These could be various buttons or forms or even viewing photos. In this particular instance, I created a very simple page with 3 products, which has add to cart and buy now buttons. And you can also view photos. Alright, so at this moment, I want to configure the click tracking using the MCP server, specifically Google Tag Manager. For various buttons and sending those events to Google Analytics, this provides us with an understanding of which products are popular, which ones are bought most often, and so on and so forth. Right. Okay, let's get started. Let's open Claude Desktop and then we will input the information. We'll get the container ID from here. Copy. Paste. Also, let's take the source code of this page. We'll copy all of it. And we're going to paste it right here. We retrieve the measurement ID from the Google Analytics page, then proceed to the admin section, Data Streams. We click here, and then we copy the measurement ID. Press Enter, and wait a few minutes.
A few moments later.
A few minutes after starting, the entire process was completed. Here we can see the entire log. We can also see that a new workspace has been created. Let's check. Let's refresh the page. So here we see the new workspace. There are 12 changes made. Here's what it created. Let's check. Click on the preview button. Here we have Google Analytics loaded. We will click Add to Cart. An event has now taken place. Then we click on the View Photo button. The View Photo event has triggered. Let's now click the Buy Now button. The Buy Now event has triggered. Now let's also make sure to check that these events are being sent to Google Analytics. Okay. Let's go to the admin section. Click on Debug View. And we can see that these events are also coming into Google Analytics. The product name is also coming in, and the price. Yeah, you know, it is extremely convenient. You can quickly and effortlessly configure almost any event in just a matter of minutes. On the page, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Also, leave a comment below because I'm very interested in your feedback and it truly motivates me. Thanks again.